Hi everyone, you're on the Up&UnderSports Outdoor Explorer Challenge. This is the Up in the Clouds section where all our challenges are looking at wind and air. There are 5 different challenges to have a go at, and at the end of the video there are some links to the internet where you can find different resources to help with some of the different challenges. Good luck, have a go and be creative. Go for a wintry, windy walk. Who can make the best paper airplane? Any design is fine by me. See how far yours can fly. Go for a walk and find as many different things to climb up or over. Good job, Theo. Have a go at making your own wind chime. Good luck. Have a go at making your own kite from stuff you find around the house. Theo's got a spoon and a straw holding his kite together. Good job, Theo.